everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Alright, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. I'm going to say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to work with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Yeah. Hi everybody. So in this part of the lesson today, we're gonna practice kicking while moving. Okay, kicking while moving. So normally when we're in our fighting stance, we throw kicks and then we come back to where we started, right? Now today we're gonna practice kicking and changing our stance. Okay, so we're gonna practice doing front kicks this way and round kicks this way, but we're moving our feet. So when you start your fighting stance, left foot front, right foot back, we're gonna do 2 front kicks, moving forward. Now when we front kick, we're gonna use our right leg, we're gonna kick and plant our foot on the ground like this. Then we're gonna do this leg, we're gonna front kick, we're gonna kick, plant our foot, like we're taking steps forward, okay? When we do our round kicks, it's the same thing. We're gonna round kick, plant your foot with this leg, round kick, plant your foot, okay? Does that make sense? Awesome, all right, let's do that together, ready? We're gonna go front kick, moving forward, front kick, front kick. Good job, you guys, awesome. Now we're gonna go this way now. We're gonna go round kick, round kick. Awesome, very good job, you guys, awesome. All right, let's do front kicks again. Front kick, front kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, now do this side again, a little bit faster. Round kick, round kick. Awesome, good job. All right, you guys ready to play a game? Awesome, all right, so here's the game we're gonna play, okay? So we're gonna do front kicks this side. Now as we do these front kicks, okay, we're gonna pop balloons. We're gonna be 2 balloons here and 2 balloons over here. For this side, we're gonna pop the red balloons, which are front kicks. For this side, we're gonna pop the blue balloons, which are gonna be round kicks, okay? Let's do those together. Ready? And go. Front kick, front kick. Awesome, good job. All right, now 2 round kicks. We're gonna pop the balloons this side. There you go. Round kick, round kick. Awesome, good job, good, good. And go. Front kick. Front kick. Awesome. Good job. Good job. And go. Round kick. Round kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. All right, going this way now. And go. Front kick. Front kick. Good. Nice. Going this way. And go. Round kick. Round kick. Awesome. All right, we're going to go extra fast, okay? Ready. And go. 1, 2. Good. Awesome. Good. And go. 1, 2. Good. Nice. Ready. And go. 1, 2. Good. Good. And go. 1, 2. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Ready? One more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good work. Now, the reason why we want to step when we do kicks, kind of like the same reason we do skipping kicks, right? If I'm doing a skipping kick, it's because I'm trying to get closer, right? When I do a stepping kick, I'm trying to set up my back leg before the kick. That's why we do it, okay? Hope you guys are ready for today. I'll see you in the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. everybody, I'm Master Kelly. I got a really quick announcement for you guys today. So on August 15th, we're releasing a brand new program called Samurai for Christ. Samurai for Christ is a Catholic online homeschool martial arts curriculum. I'll have your kids go from white belt all the way to our lady's favorite color, the blue belt. And what makes this program unique is that your kids are going to be learning 9 different forms named after warrior saints. And in this program, your kids are not only going to be learning the moves of martial arts, but they're also going to be learning about the lives of the saints, and also are going to engage in Ignatius mental prayer. So I'm going to go step by step how to do mental prayer for kids. It's a fantastic way for kids to grow, not only just become more calm, control their emotions, but also grow in the spiritual life, right? Which ultimately is the most important thing. So if you guys are interested and you want to sign up for that program, click those links down below for more information. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. For nice nod after me. I'm gonna say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot, we're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground to keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. So I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, I'm stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, I'm keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. Stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick, but really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
Either. Bubble. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Yogo. Either. Bubble. You're awesome. Alright, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Hold. I'm gonna say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Irgo. Either. Aho. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Gonna say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Irgo. Either. Aho. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back for that here. We're stretching our neck down. And say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Irgo. Either. Aho. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I don't want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Not yet? In the end.
Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.